Hello students, today you will learn excess pressure inside a bubble or Laplace law of membrane. Now you know that how is the shape of the raindrop? It is oval, but according to surface tension the shape of the raindrop should be spherical. Then why it is such oval drop? It is due to gravitational force acting in downward direction. Now if we neglect this gravitational force and air resistance, then shape of the drop becomes spherical. Now consider here drop of a bubble or a drop of a liquid. Now of radius r. Internal pressure is Pi and outer pressure is V0. Now here Pi is greater than V0. Internal pressure is greater than outer pressure. Now since this internal pressure is greater, its radius increases by small amount, that is delta r, and therefore new radius of the drop is r plus delta r. It is a very small change, therefore denoted by delta r. Initial area of this drop is A1 is equal to 4 pi r square. Now due to increase in this radius, its area becomes A2 is equal to 4 pi into r plus delta r bracket square. Now solve this bracket by using a plus b bracket square. It is equal to 4 pi r square plus 2r delta r plus delta r square. It is equal to 4 pi r square plus 4 pi into 2r, 8 pi r delta r plus 4 pi delta r square. Since this delta r is very small, here delta r square is neglected and this 4 pi delta r square is nearly equal to 0. Therefore, A2 is equal to 4 pi r square plus 8 pi r delta r. Now increase in area, that is dA, is equal to final area minus initial area. It is equal to A2 minus A1. It is equal to 4 pi r square plus 8 pi r delta r minus A1 is 4 pi r square. This 4 pi r square get cancelled. Therefore, dA is equal to 8 pi r delta r. Now, this increase in area is stored in the form of work done, and this work done is nothing but it is the increase in surface energy. It is equal to surface tension into increase in area. Therefore, dW is equal to T into 8 pi r delta r. It is equation 1. Now work done is equal to force into displacement. Force is dF, displacement is delta r. Here P is equal to F upon A. Therefore we can write force is equal to pressure into area. But here pressure is excess pressure, Pi minus P0 into initial area is 4 pi r square into delta r. Therefore dW is equal to Pi minus P0 4 pi r square delta r. It is equation 2. Now equating equation 1 and 2. T into 8 pi r delta r is equal to Pi minus P0 4 pi r square into delta r. Here Pi minus P0 is excess pressure. Since Pi is greater than P0, here we take Pi minus P0, that is excess pressure. Now cancelling the same terms, delta R, 1 R also get cancelled. Therefore remaining terms are T into 8 is equal to excess pressure into 4R. Therefore Pi minus P0 is equal to this 8T upon this 4R. Dividing by 4, excess pressure inside a bubble, it is equal to Pi minus P0, it is equal to 2T upon R. And it is called as Laplace law of memory. Now in case of this bubble of liquid or a drop of a liquid or a gas bubble, only one surface is there. Now if we consider a soap bubble, there are two faces and therefore this dA becomes double 2 into 8 pi r delta r, and this excess pressure equation dW is equal to same Pi minus P0 into 4 pi r square delta r, and therefore this equation of excess pressure for surface soap bubble, it is equal to double, that is 4T upon R. It is the excess pressure inside a soap bubble. Okay, thank you.